we are. Mikey, say hi.
Hi.
Mikey is 3 years old. He is my grandson.
And he is going to do the dragon slide.
He's going to do the dragon slide.
And what we're going to use, we are going to use...
one of these.
Yeah. And then one of these.
One of these. And some pretty colors.
Yeah, like...
Okay,
all of
thank you,
those.
Lyra.
All of those.
Okay, so we're going to start with pillow
Yellow?
paint. No.
Okay.
We're going to start with pillow paint, Mikey, okay? This has to go on first. You want to hold it with me?
Yeah.
Okay, right in the middle like this. Slowly, Mikey. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Mikey.
Yeah.
Now, lift it up
Lift
and
it
then
up.
drop it.
Drop it.
And it popped up bubbles. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's add some color. This is Pebeo green.
Yes.
Oh, now let me show you something, Mikey. I'm going to draw a box. Now, no kids can use this.
Why? No kids.
No kids.
No.
So, now I'm going to draw a box, and you're going to paint inside the box. Okay, can you fill that box with this color?
Can you? Let's...
Whoa, oh, okay, we don't want to drop it in the...
You did excellent, but you tried your best. Oh, what's it?
Okay, don't touch, don't
What's
touch.
that?
I know.
That was pretty.
Okay, let's not
Doodle.
get so close. Let's just kind of fill the box with
Like
pretty
a
colors.
dog.
We have more colors to put on, okay? Okay, that's good. Now we're going to use turquoise,
Please?
Goldest Turquoise Phthalo. That's a pretty color, Mikey.
So you're gonna color
Let's stay
it.
in the box. Whoops.
Sometimes he colors inside, but sometimes he gets in like the little kind of scribbles outside, like little ones. But sometimes
That's
he
a
does
pretty
that.
color, huh, Mikey?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Really pretty.
Okay. And now we're going to use Ultramarine Blue. Can you do that? Stay in the box, Mikey. And let's just go like this with this one. Squeeze. 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 Can you squeeze? Good. A little more. Okay. Squeeze.
It's so
There.
pretty.
And up there. Woo!
Looks like a
Okay, now we're going to use this beautiful
Ooh,
metallic
lime green.
green and lime. And we're going to do squiggle again.
Yeah.
Whoa. No, not too much, Mikey. Not too much. A little bit more over here.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Good.
no. We want to do a little at a time, Mikey. Here, don't squeeze it too hard. Here, Mikey. Just a little.
Oh, and who is this? My brother's doing my paint, the paint pour. My brother.
Okay.
No, that color.
No, those are the colors we're using. Now let's stick hands back, hands back.
Hands back.
Pop the bubbles, hands back.
Kids should never use this. Kids
Now-
should never use that.
Now, Mikey, this is a swipe tool.
So-
I'm going to put black cell
Stop.
activator on it, okay?
So you have to swipe it.
That's right.
It's gonna be so fun.
Okay, wait, we're not ready yet. Let me kind of move it around.
Have it?
Glad we give them space. Okay, now we're
I'm
gonna
gonna
yeah, I'm gonna help you. We're gonna very lightly over here go like this. Very lightly. No, lightly, Mikey. Don't push down. Okay, good.
You tried your best though.
Yes, he did.
Can I do
Press and
another
pretty. No, that's looking nice. Now, let's just wait a little bit and watch those cells. They're called, see all those little circles?
They're
Those are
cute.
cells.
Can I do it?
No, not yet.
Right.
Let's move it over this way a little bit. He was pushing down a little too hard, but we kind of rescued it. Now, this is going to be a really neat
Can I do
dragon.
it?
Now, we're going to do doodling to make...
You could do whatever doodling.
So I'll show you how to hold it like this.
You could like
Okay.
do boo boo boo
Excuse
boo
me,
boo.
Lyra. Okay, you're going to go along the side of it like this.
probably you could do it by yourself.
I don't think he can. This is his first time doing it.
No, he done paintboard before.
But not like this. Oh, that's gonna be awesome, Mikey. Okay, now let's wait a minute, okay? Now I need to add. You made that, but we're not done. We're gonna take it to the spinner box first,
Yeah,
okay?
okay.
Okay, so we'll be back in a minute. We'll be back in a minute.
Thumbs up if you like this video. Now to spin it.
Oh, it's so beautiful, Mikey.
Did you spin it?
Lyra, put that back, please. Okay, Mikey, are you ready to spin it?
I can.
Okay, don't hold.
Here, do you want me to help you, Mikey?
No. You're not going to hold the canvas.
You're gonna hold
we
this.
Okay, we need to put a little more paint here on the sides.
So you're gonna like hold it like this and then spin.
Okay, go like this. Now you're not going to hold the canvas, Mikey.
No.
Mikey, you're not going to hold the canvas.
You're gonna hold this.
The spinner.
Not the canvas. So you don't hold this. You hold this like this.
Yes. Okay, Mikey. So you hold this and then
Whoa.
spin it like that. Give it a good spin.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it on your hands. You need to give a much harder spin than that, Mikey.
Much, much harder spin.
Okay, spin it. Don't be afraid to get your hands painted. Come on, give it a hard spin.
Right.
This way. No, hold it. It's okay to get your hands painted. No, this
Like
way, Mikey.
this.
Like that.
Like that. So it's not like.
It's okay to get. Oh, that's beautiful. But we need to spin it some more. Come on, Mikey, give it a good spin. Hold it this way and woo! That's okay, Mikey. Painted hands are okay.
Thumbs up.
Okay, let's give it another spin.
Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Okay, hold it and spin.
Good. You did a good job.
Look, Mikey. Look how fast it's going.
See? That paint.
Now this, I love this here. So I don't want to lose that. I'm going to scoot it down just a little bit.
Dun, 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 dun,
And I'm going to scoot this down a little this way and this way.
Do you like it? Yeah.
Now,
Good.
okay. No. Now, see, I see a little white dot, Mikey.
Can I do it?
No. This one. I'm just going to barely touch it. And it
I see
disappeared.
another one right there.
That's a big one. Okay. See
Another
that?
one right there. Oh,
Right
I see
there.
another one. Right there.
I don't know if that's one, but...
Right there. And right there.
Well, that's going to be spun off anyway.
And right there.
Okay, we need to spin some more. I see this bubble. It hasn't popped yet, but it's going to, so... Okay, this is gorgeous, Mikey. Okay, I'm going to help you with the spin part, okay?
That's very fast.
That's very fast. No, Larry. Clean your hands, please.
Look how much dirty I got my hands, Mikey.
Mikey, isn't that beautiful? Now let's check. Mikey, let's check. Oh, I see a white dot. Look, Mikey. Right here. Let's see if we can get rid of it. Don't put your face in the paint.
I wish.
Oh, no. Don't touch with your fingers. You don't want... Okay, you don't want to get your hands over the painting.
Yeah. Boop, 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 boop. Right there.
Okay.
I'm right there.
No, it's okay. Let's get this one.
That thing.
Boop. You have to say boop.
Thing.
Boop. Or you like the ding.
That
Hey, don't touch, don't touch.
Oh, that's a mama.
Gotcha. Okay, let's see how much paint.
Do you do black too?
There's one over here.
Can we?
I already did. Okay, let's see how much paint's in the
At
middle.
the end? Can
Not too much.
I see little dots right
Careful.
there.
No,
Little
those are
dots
okay.
right there.
Those are okay.
But can we?
Let's give it one more spin, okay? There it goes.
Ah!
Woo!
Hello. Oh, it's going super fast.
Oh, it's
Pretty.
beautiful, Mikey. We got some more spots.
Right there.
Right there, that's right.
Right.
What are you guys whispering about? Mikey, pay attention. Mikey, look. Where's another dot? Can you see?
Right there. Put that little tiny one right there.
Oh,
Ah!
Lyra? No.
It's a big one.
The big one.
They did it. Oh, there's some down there.
It's okay down there.
This
And
is like little ones. Ew, there's a bug down there.
there's a bug down there?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, Mikey. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
So pretty. I want to
Okay.
be at home.
Well,
Tomorrow.
it has to dry.
Then I can be at home.
So we're gonna do a close-up now of it, okay? So Mikey, we're gonna clean you up. I'm gonna clean my hand, and then we'll do a close-up.